Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and I'm back with another video. And as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a simple clean with me. That area over there is messy again. I recorded this video a while ago, but yeah, I'm cleaning that area over there. If you guys are interested and enjoy organizing cleaning videos, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is currently my so I have two separate stations. So this is where I do my press-on nails, and this is like my computer desk. It's like an L shape, so my computer desk is like over there, and then this is where I do my press-on nails. And then I have a separate table for when I do like my clients' nails. So yeah, this is what my press-on nail station is looking like, and it is looking a hot mess. So I figured, why not do like a speedy clean with me type of thing. I also sit here and do my makeup. I don't have a mirror, but I have enough palettes to just prop up a mirror and just sit here and do my makeup. So you see makeup brushes and stuff. But yeah, let's just get into the clean with me. Okay, so I have a client that wants a design in like 2 weeks that looks something like this, and I've been practicing nonstop. So I'm going to show you what design she wants. And You guys can tell me if it looks anywhere near, or comment down below which one you think looks the closest. So this is what she wants. These are press-on nails that she wants. So she wants these two designs, which I practice both of them, but I'm like super comfortable doing this one for some reason. So comment down below. And she wants them short, but on a shorter nail, that's like less space I have to work with. So let me bring you guys closer. Okay, so this one is that one, which I completely butchered, but these 6 are this one. So you guys tell me, this will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You guys comment down below which one you think from 1 through 6 looks the most like this nail. Okay, and I'm probably gonna toss these now and continue practicing, but yeah.
So that is my space all nice and clean. I'm just gonna grab like a Bounty or a tissue and spray some alcohol on it and just wipe it down.
So much better. Yay, all done. So that brings this clean with me video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you guys go. Any questions or comments on anything that you've seen in the video, drop them down below. Let me know if you liked the video. And yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.